This is the next skill that you're going to learn in this lesson, and our learning intention for this skill is to multiply using the vertical algorithm. You can just write VA there instead of vertical algorithm. Once again, I'm going to write the date, which is the 21st of the 4th of 20. All right, so multiplying using the vertical algorithm. There's a pretty simple method that we can use, and you might have learned it before, but you may have forgotten. I'm going to first of all show you without regrouping. All right, so here's a multiplication sum without regrouping. So I'm going to go 24 multiplied by 3. Oh, let's go multiplied by 2. You might be able to do this one in your head, but that doesn't matter. You can check it in your head after to see if we're correct and see if this method worked. So our first step is we go 2 multiplied by 4. So 2 times 4 is 8, and we write the 8 down there. And the second step is you go 2 multiplied by 2. 2 times 2 is 4, and we write the 4 down there. All right, I'm going to show you another example without regrouping. So let's go 32 multiplied by 3. All right, so 32 multiplied by 3. Can you remember what our first step is? I want you to do this one with me. So can you write 32 multiplied by 3 down in your book right now? Pause the video. Okay, now you've written down 33 multiplied by 2. I want you to try and remember what the first step was. It involved these two numbers. That's right. So we go 3 times 2. That's our first step. You don't need to draw this bit on. That's just for me to show you. So 3 times 2 is 6. And then our second step was 3 multiplied by 3, which is, yes, it's 9. And we write the 9 down there. So 96 is the answer to that question. All right, one more example. Let's go... Oh, no, I'm going to do 42 multiplied by 2. Okay, so 42 multiplied by 2. Can you write this one down as well and try it before I give you the answer? So pause the video now, have a go at doing this one, and then you can unpause to see me solve it. So I'm going to solve this one now. So I'm going to go 2 by 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. And then I'm going to go 2 times 4 is 8. So the answer should be 84. Give yourself a little tick if you got that one correct. At the end of this, I'm going to give you some multiplications to try on your own. But before we do that, if you're really good at this one, I'm going to show you one to do with regrouping. So if you feel like you have this one and you're pretty good at it, that's fantastic. You can move on to number 2. All right, number 2, let's do it with regrouping.